Percy was on his way to the main station. Once he was there, one of the workers asked a favor of him. Percy, can you please go pick up a Christmas tree for us? It's already ordered and paid for. You just need to head down to the logging camp and pick out a tree. Anyone you like, and bring it right back here. Think you can do that for us? Sure thing, sir. I'll have it taken care of in no time. Thank you, Percy. One more thing, Percy. Terrance the tractor needs picked up at Steve's mine. Can you do that for us? Sure, I'll pick him up and then head straight over to get the Christmas tree. Good thing, Percy. We'll see you soon. Yep, I'll be right back. And so, Percy, once the signal was green, head out to go get Terrance and the Christmas tree. Along the way, he passed the ye old bridge. And then, Grizzly Bear Mountain. But he derailed. Grizzly Bear Mountain is a bad place to derail, for you could get mauled by a grizzly bear. Luckily for Percy, Steve's mine wasn't far, and Terrance the tractor heard Percy's cries for help. As the grizzly bear was closing in on Percy, Terrance the tractor drove to save the day. He used his horn to scare off the grizzly bear, and he helped Percy get back on the tracks. Percy then explained to Terrance that he needed Terrance's help to pick out a Christmas tree. So Terrance loaded up onto Percy's flatbed wagon, and they continued their journey past Steve's mine. And then past the old wizard tower. A moment later, they arrived at the logging camp. Hi, Percy. I heard you were coming to pick up a Christmas tree. Well, pick out any one you like, and then I'll have my guys chop it down, and we'll load it onto your wagon. Thanks, mister. Now, which one would you like? Not that one. Not that one. Maybe that one. Not that one. Not that one. I'll take the really green one. You mean this one? Yes, please, sir. Very well. Let's load it onto his wagon. Yes, sir. And so, the logging team loaded the tree onto Percy's wagon. However, Terrance had an idea. Can you please load the tree on its side? I'm worried it'll fall down like that. Sure, we can do that. And so they reloaded the tree on its side to minimize chances of it falling off. And they drove. They drove past the zoo and saw a panda exhibit and continued their way back to the station. Once there, they unloaded the Christmas tree and the workers took it inside the station. And all was well at the train station on Sodor. The end.